मेरी हस्ती है, पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है। मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ।
Hello everyone, welcome to Earwalk. This is Madan Gauri. I just woke up and I really wanted this to be a dream, but it is not. It has happened. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the most influential cricketer of our times. If you are probably a 90s kid or 2K kid, the cricketer you might have looked up to is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So he has retired from international cricket. The man who said there can be hope even when there are 9 wickets down. If Dhoni is in the crease, we had hope. And most of us applied what Dhoni doesn't match in our real life. Whenever we feel low, whenever we have a bad day, we look up at Dhoni, imagine that, okay, if he can do this, why can't we face our real life problems? That's the kind of inspiration or impact that he had on us. And just as I said, Dhoni is not about how he played. Dhoni is about how he made us feel. This was rightly said in Sakshi Dhoni, his wife's Instagram post yesterday. People will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Dhoni is a ray of hope. Dhoni is a symbol of hope. Dhoni said a lot of Indian youngsters that if you have passion, if you are a hard worker, no matter from where you are or what you do, you can achieve your goals. That's what Dhoni stood for. So that person retiring from cricket and will be never able to wear an international jersey representing India again is definitely a huge setback, not just for Indians but also for the Indian cricket team. I would just like to say 2 things about Dhoni in this video. This is more like a thank you to Dhoni, because I know Dhoni will not do anything like that. He posted an Instagram message or an Instagram video with a song, with a rookie slideshow saying that he is retired, thanks, bye. That's the style Dhoni always does. So it's okay. This is how Dhoni has always worked, right? He always does the most unexpected thing in the most unexpected time. Even his retirement is so unexpected that all of us are bowled, all of us are out. We are just in shock still. So the song that he chose for the slideshow is "Main Pal Do Pal Ka Shayar Hoon." So most of you might not understand Hindi, including me, but I have managed to find this song, and this song is from a movie Kabhi Kabhi, and it's an old Amitabh Bachchan movie, the 1976 movie. So that old this movie is, and the meaning of the song is more like this kind of reflects Dhoni's mind. So the meaning of the song is, I am a poet for a second or two. There will be better poets after me, and there were better poets before me, and there will be better listeners after you. So no one is going to remember anything about me. So that is kind of the mind state that Dhoni is. That's why he chose this song to announce his retirement. And the song also says that the world is so busy that no one is going to give a damn about what I do. So the world will be busy. There will be better people. There will be people who overtake me. So I am just a momentous thing and I will pass. That's what this song is all about. So it's amazing how humble he is at mind. And the reason why India loves Dhoni, the reason why especially the southern India, takes him to demigod level is because of a lot of things. And I can explain that in one particular incident. I'll just inform you one incident that happened in Dhoni's life that would explain why India loves Dhoni so much. And in 2015, India was playing its World Cup tournament in Australia. So during this time, a major thing was happening in Dhoni's life, and that is his wife was pregnant when he started traveling to Australia for match. And during that time, Dhoni decided not to carry a cell phone. His wife is pregnant, Sakshi Singh Dhoni is pregnant, she is expecting a child, and at this moment, a father, probably one of the most powerful person in the country, if he wants, he can do anything. But this person decides not to take a cell phone with him to Australia for the World Cup campaign because that would distract him. He does not want to be connected to the internet or with anyone. He wants to be concentrating on just India's World Cup campaign. Imagine this commitment to a country. So he does not take his mobile. He goes to Australia without a mobile in 2015. So after a few days, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is blessed with a daughter, Ziva Dhoni. So what she does is she contacts Suresh Raina, his best friend, who apparently retired along with him, which is a show of friendship, amazing show of friendship. But then again, so Sakshi Singh Dhoni contacts Suresh Raina and sends him an SMS. She's not even able to call him. So she sends an SMS saying that I have got a baby girl, inform this to Dhoni. And Suresh Raina goes to Dhoni and says that he is blessed with a child. And Dhoni, we don't know how Dhoni reacted to this, but after this happened, there is news about Dhoni's daughter everywhere in Indian media, and people are start to writing, okay, Dhoni will return from international campaign, Dhoni will return from World Cup campaign and all these things, but Dhoni is undented. He's still playing for the country. And in one of the press interactions, a journalist asked Dhoni, aren't you heard that you're not visiting your daughter? So you're not even seeing your daughter. You're in Australia playing for your country, but you are blessed with a daughter, which is probably the biggest thing for any man, right? So the journalist asked Dhoni, aren't you hurt? And for this, Dhoni replies, I'll just read that out for you. As of now, I'm on national duty, so I think everything else can wait. The World Cup is a very important campaign. So this is what Dhoni said. So the commitment that he gave for the country, the commitment he gave to the 100 crore people who supported him is immense. And Dhoni taught us to have hope in us, to believe in ourselves, to take things in our hand. When the whole world was praying for Yuvraj Singh to come down and play the World Cup final match, it was Dhoni who took up the leadership. That's what leaders do. That's what people who are in power do, take up things in their hand and achieve it in an immense scale. So this video is an honest tribute and thanks to Dhoni. I'm not sure if it is the Dhoni fanboy in me that is making this video, or the Indian in me that is making this video, or pure cricket fan that is making this video. No, whatever it is, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, thanks for everything that you have given us. And as Sakshi has mentioned in her Instagram post, it's not about what you did, it's about how you made us feel. So thank you for that. Love you, Dhoni. You will be always our Tala. You will always be our captain, irrespective of cricket or not. And looking forward for your second innings. I'm sure this is not the full stop. Or since Dhoni always does something that we don't expect, is this the full stop? I don't know.
मेरी हस्ती है पल दो पल मेरी कहानी है मैं पल दो पल का शायर हूँ